Hello students. Today I am starting chapter 5, fractions. First of all, I am telling you what is fraction. Suppose you are having this apple and whenever you will cut into equal parts. Now we are having two parts. So an apple is divided into two parts. So we can write this single part is 1/2 and 1/2. This 2 is whole part and this 1 is this cut part. So whenever you will tell the fraction of this part, you will say half part. Again this will be half part. Suppose we are having this square, this rectangle, and it will divide it into three parts. One part is shaded. So whenever you have to tell the fraction of shaded part, that is total parts are 3 and fraction shaded part is 1. So our fraction is 1/3. Basically how we will write fraction? Numerator upon denominator. And fraction is a part of the whole. This is the definition of our fraction. And for numerator and D for denominator. And D stands for denominator. Now, the types of fraction. Number 1 is like fraction. Fraction all having the same denominator. You can see in the example, all are having 6 as a denominator. So when the denominator is same, then that fraction is called like fraction. Number 2, unlike fraction. See, in these fractions, the denominator are not same. So when the fraction having different denominator, it is known as unlike fraction. Number 3, proper fraction. Proper means, see, in numerator and denominator, see, denominator is greater than numerator. 3 is greater than 1, 8 is greater than 3, 11 is greater than 5. It means when denominator is greater than numerator, that fraction is known as proper fraction. In which, or you can say, numerator is less than the denominator, or you can say denominator is greater than numerator. Improper will be the reverse of proper. Here, denominator is less than numerator. And when we are having same numbers, just like 2/2, it will belongs to improper fraction, because in proper, denominator is greater. See, 8/5, 13, 23/7, in all. In these two, denominator is less than numerator. Now mixed fraction or mixed number. Student, whenever we are having improper fraction, means denominator is smaller than numerator. Suppose we are having a number 11/3. This is improper fraction. So we can divide 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 as remainder. So whenever we are having to remainder, we can write this improper fraction in such a way. First of all, we will write the whole part. The whole part is 3. The remainder is left 2. And whenever we will write in this way, this is the fraction part and this is the whole part. Whole part plus fraction part combinedly belongs to mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is whole part plus fraction part. And see, this fraction part is proper fraction. This is our proper fraction. One more thing, simplest form of fraction. Simplest form of fraction means here we will take the common factor, or we can say we can calculate the HCF of the numerator, HCF of numerator and denominator. Suppose in this example, 4/26, numerator 4, denominator 26. We will calculate the HCF as we have done in our previous exercise. Suppose it is 2. So cut this number by 2 in numerator and denominator also. So whatever we will get, That is our simplest form. And whenever we will convert into simplest form, our HCF will be 1. Suppose this is our example, 4 upon 26, cut it by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 upon 13. Now in this 2 upon 13, the HCF is 1. So whenever we will calculate in simplest form, this is our simplest form. The HCF should be 1. Now come to the exercise 5a. Question 1. Write each of the following fraction in numeral. So student, you have to write in the numeral 3 out of 5 means write in fraction 3 upon 5. 1 quarter. Quarter means 4 part, 1 upon 4. 5 sevens, 5 upon 7. 3 eights, 3 upon 8. 7 10 means 7 upon 10. 6 13 means 6 upon 13. 9 28ths, 9 upon 20. 8 70ths, that is 8 upon 70. Next question 2. Write each of the following division as fraction. See, 6 divided by 11. You can write in this way 6 upon 11. 6 is numerator, 11 is denominator. So, it is a now fraction. 1 upon 100, here 0 upon 1. Here you can write 9 upon 4. And 7 divided 27, 7 upon 27. Now next question 3rd. Match each of the given fraction in the column B, C, with the corresponding verbal expression in figure. See, here it is written in fraction and here is a figure. So just match it. 4/5. See, it is 4 upon 5. And check the figure which is 4 upon 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total parts 5. 4 are shaded. It is 4 upon 5. So in this way you have to match it. 2/8. See, 2 upon 8. And this figure is 2 upon 8 part. 2 parts are shaded out of 8. 5 nines. See, this is 5 upon 9. And these total parts are 9 and 5 are shaded. So 5 upon 9. 2/5. 2 upon 5. And this one part belongs to 2 upon 5. 2 are shaded. Total are 5. 4 sevens. So 4 upon 7. See, there are total 7 parts and out of 7, 4 are shaded. So in this way you have to match it. Next question 4. Write a fraction as indicated. So fraction formula is fraction is numerator upon denominator. Numerator 5, denominator 13. So fraction is 5 upon 13. Denominator 23, numerator 16. Fraction is 16 upon 23. Here numerator is HCF 4 6, denominator LCM of 5 7. So first of all we will calculate HCF and LCM. Then we will write the answer. See this question. HCF of 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. The common factor is 2. So HCF is 2. LCM of 5 7. Both are prime numbers. So we will get the LCM by multiplying. 5 7 is 35. So fraction is numerator upon denominator, that is 2 upon 35. Fifth part. Fourth, denominator 3 minus minus 2. Minus minus plus. See in fourth part. 3 minus minus 2, that is 3 plus 2, 5. And this minus 5 plus 21, minus plus minus, greater number is 21, so having positive sign 16. So our fraction is 5 upon 16. Fifth, numerator your age now, denominator your age after 30. Suppose your age is 11 years. So just add 30 to 11, that will be 41. So your fraction will be 11 upon 41. See next question. Write two equivalent fractions that describe the shaded region in the given below. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total parts are 6. So our and shaded are 4. So it is 4 upon 6, and whenever you will do the cutting, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2 upon 3. So our answer is 4 upon 6, 2 upon 3. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total are 4 upon 8. 4 are shaded, and whenever you will do the cutting, it will be 2 upon 1 upon 2. 4 2 ja 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded, and total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total are 15. Equivalent fraction, do the cutting. 5 3 is 15, 1 upon 3. Next question. Write two equivalent fraction for each of the following. First part, 4 upon 7. Equivalent fraction means you have to multiply by the same number in numerator and denominator. You can also do division if the number is greater. But here the number is smaller, just do the multiply by the same. This is first equivalent, this is second. Firstly multiply by 2 on both numerator and denominator. Here multiplied by 3 numerator and denominator. So 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14, 4 3s are 12, 7 3s are 21. So 8 upon 14 and 12 upon 20 is your equivalent fraction. Same we will do by 5 upon 9, multiply by 2, multiply by 3. So 10 upon 18 and 15 upon 27, they are equivalent fraction. Next question. Write an equivalent fraction of 8 upon 9 with numerator 32. See, 8 upon 9. Now you have to convert this 8 to 32 in numerator side. So you have to make 8 to 32. So by which number you will multiply by 8 to convert into 32? 4. Because 8 4 is 32. So you have to multiply 4 in numerator and denominator also. So 8 4 is 32, 9 4 is 36. This is your answer. Next question part. 27 upon 36 with denominator 4. Here we are converting smaller numerator to greater. Here we are converting greater denominator to smaller. So in this question we will do division. See, 27 divided 27 upon 36. We have to convert 36 to 4. So by what number we will divide it? That is 9. 36 divided by 9, 4. And in numerator also we will divide by 9. 27 divided by 9 is equals to 3. This is your answer. 3 upon 4 is your answer. Next question 11. Reduce the following fraction into simplest form. See, 10 upon 15. Just do the cutting. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 2 upon 3 is your answer. Second part, 16 upon 28, 4 4 is 16, 4 7 is 28, 4 upon 7 is the answer. It means, or you can see you have to take HCF of both the number. 35 upon 63, the HCF of 35 and 63 is 7, 7 5 is 7 9 is. So 5 upon 9 is your answer. Next question, 10. Classify as proper, improper and mixed fraction. 4 upon 9 denominator greater, so proper. Here denominator is smaller, so it is improper. Denominator smaller, improper. Denominator greater, proper. Here it is in mixed fraction. 14 upon 14 improper, mixed fraction, and it is denominator smaller, improper. Write each improper fraction as a mixed number. How you will convert improper into mixed? See, first part, 29 upon 4. For this you have to divide it. 4 7 is 28, 1 is remainder. So the formula to writing into mixed fraction, that is quotient is in middle, then remainder upon divisor. So here quotient is 7, remainder is 1 and divisor is 4. So in this way you can write improper into mixed fraction. Next, 63 upon 10. 63 upon 10, 10 6 is 60. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 is remainder, 6 is quotient, so 6 in middle, 3 upon 10. 6 whole, 3 upon 10. Fifth part, 209 upon 12. 12 1 is 12, 20 minus 12, 8. Then copy 9, 12 7 is 84, 9 minus 4, 5. So 17 whole, 5 upon 12. This is quotient, this is remainder upon divisor. Now, next question 12. Write each mixed number as an improper fraction. Now, how we will do? To convert into, this is our number 7 whole 3 upon 4. We will multiply divisor into quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So, divisor into quotient 4 into 7 and plus remainder 3 upon whatever is the divisor. So 4 7 are 28 plus 3 20. 7 4 are 28 plus 3 31 upon 4 is our answer. Second part 6 4 4 upon 9. 9 6 are 54 plus 4 58 upon 9. C. 11 whole line 11 upon 13. 13 into 11 plus 11, that is 154 upon 30. Next question. Convert each of the following sets of unlike fraction into that of like fraction. I am telling you second part. This is our question. Student, to convert the unlike into like fraction, what we will do first? First of all, we will take the LCM. Solve the LCM. LCM is 24. Now convert 2 upon 3. Denominator as 24, so multiply by 8 in both sides. 3 is 24, 2 is 16. So we will make all the denominators 24. 4. Our second number is fraction 3 upon 4, so multiply by 6 in both sides. So 3 6 18, 4 6 24. Third one is 5 upon 6, so 6 4 is 24, 5 4 is 20. Next one 7 upon 8, so we will multiply by 3. 8 3 is 24, 7 3 is 21, and last one 11 upon 12. So we will multiply by 2, 11 2 is 22, 12 2 is 24. So our like fractions are 16 upon 24, 18 upon 24, 20 upon 24, 21 upon 24 and 22 upon 24. See the MCQs. Mr. Sharma bought 1 dozen eggs. 1 dozen is 12 and used 7 of them. Used are 7. So what fraction of the total number eggs were used? Total 12, used 7, so 7 upon 12. What fraction of number from 1 to 15 are prime? So first write prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 15, 6 are prime. So answer is 6 upon 15. 4 pizzas are to be equally shared among 5 children. What is each child share? Total pizzas, total children 5. Pizzas are 4, so fraction is 4 upon 5. Which fraction is not equivalent to 2 upon? Next question 17. Which fraction is not equivalent to 2 upon 3? So we will just solve it. Do the cutting. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. It is 2 upon 3. 7 2s are 7 3s are. It is 2 upon 3. 5 2s are 5 3. It is 2 upon 3. 4 upon 9. It can't be converted into 2 upon 3. So this fraction is not equivalent to 2 upon 3. Next. 24 upon 60 reduced to simplest form. So 24 upon 60. The HCF of 24 and 60 is 12. Or you can do directly do cutting by 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 5s are 60. 2 upon 5. So this is our answer. 19th question. An astronaut whose weighs 86 kg on Earth would weigh 14 whole 1 upon 3 kg on Moon. What is the astronaut weight on Moon written as an improper fraction? So just this convert mixed into improper. 14 into 3, 42 plus 1, 43. 43 upon 3 kg answer. And the last question. The length of femur, the longest bone in the human body, is 101 upon 2. Write this as mixed fraction. So again dividing 101 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 as remainder. It can't be divided, so write here 0. So we will write as 50 whole, 50 question, 1 remainder and 2 divisor, 50 whole, 1 upon 2. So student, this exercise is completed. Now homework. Student, in homework notebook you have to do the remaining parts of question 6. Remaining parts of question number 11. This question 13, first part. So complete your work. Okay student, God bless you all. Bye bye.